This is the Champion RK-28C solenoid kit for the Champion automatic actuators or valves. Now this actuator works for all of them that have the open yoke solenoid. Now this particular one, just like all the others through the Champion liner, 24 VAC. Now in the kit, it's going to come with our mounting hanger, our yoke, our spring and plunger. Spring might be a little hard for the camera to pick up. You can see it there. Our metal hex nut and the rubber O-ring. Also, of course, comes with the solenoid wires. All that good stuff ready to go. Also comes with this little paper slip you see here at the top. Now on the front of it just shows your item number, brand, and what it fits. But if we flip it onto the back, that's where it gets pretty good. We've got a parts breakdown showing the solenoid, O-ring, plunger, and where that stuff goes in. So very, very, very helpful. Now, taking a couple dimensions of each of the parts here in our kit, we're going to start with this mounting hanger. First, we'll measure how far it extends out. So measuring from the flat bottom side up to the farthest point. We're going to be just shy of an inch, probably right at, well, it's right at an inch actually. And that opening there in the middle we can also measure. It's going to be right at about 3/8. And then the yoke. Now taking a closer look at this, we've got our pretty large metal threads here down at the bottom. You've got your smaller set of metal threads. You've got that little opening right there. So starting with total length, it's going to be right at about 1 5/8 inches, maybe a little over. Then outer diameter here at the bottom, try to get all the way at the threads. It's going to be right at about 3/4 inch. Then inner diameter of the hole, we're right at about 3/8. Also measure the plunger. Total length is going to be shown right at about 5/8 inch. And then outer diameter going to be right at about 1/4 inch. And the O-ring, outer diameter, it's going to be right at about 5/8 inch. And inner right at 1/2. And once again, this is the Champion RK-28C solenoid kit for all of the open yoke automatic valves.